The colon assists flush with trip poisons and waste from our bodies. It helps keep the body as electrolyte balance by retaining essential salt, sodium, and water. While ordinary defecation helps in wiping out waste and harmful materials from the body, it is as yet essential to purge the colon normally to evacuate caught poisons that join themselves to the colon dividers. At the point when the colon isn't scrubbed altogether, the development of poisons in the colon dividers can trigger well-being conditions, for example, the runs, clogging, colds, migraines, exhaustion, heartburn, joint agony, hypersensitivities, cognitive decline, stress, and vision issues. On the off chance that you don't like to peruse, you can skip it and watch the video. Purify your colon naturally at home. Colon purging actually implies cleaning and expelling the caught poisons from your colon. There are likewise natural cures that you can do at home. Eat vegetables and fruits that are high in fiber. Vegetables are profoundly successful in disposing of caught waste and poisons from our colon. Products of the soil that are wealthy in fiber help keep our colon clean by flushing out poisons routinely. It is critical to have fiber-rich organic products, for example, apples, raspberries, prunes, pears, and so on, and vegetables, for example, broccoli, spinach, artichoke, peas, and so forth, in your day-by-day diet. By eating these consistently, you're previously forestalling the development of poisons in your colon. Triphala herbal treatment. Triphala is a characteristic diuretic. The linoleic oil, nutrient C, phospholipids, and bioflavonoids present in Triphala invigorates defecation and advances the disposal of poisons and waste from our body. To utilize it, simply blend a glass of water and a tablespoon of Triphala. Drink it before anything else. Ocean salt. This cure isn't for individuals who have hypertension or other heart conditions. Ask your doctor first. Fill a vacant glass with water, pour the substance in a pot, and let it bubble. As the water is bubbling, place in a tablespoon of ocean salt and let it heat up some more. Following a couple of moments, put the pot in a safe spot and let to cool for a piece. Gradually taste the water. You'll feel somewhat sick subsequent to tasting the saltwater, so rest. You will at that point want to go to the solace room. Get enough rest during the rest of the hours of the day. Hence, it is better to do this cure at the end of the week. Apples. You most likely heard it on many occasions, "Eat an apple daily keeps the specialist away." New apples are viable in disposing of caught poisonous materials in our colon. Treat yourself to a glass of new squeezed apple when you get up toward the beginning of the day. Pursue it down with a glass of warm water after. By drinking, in any event, 3 to 4 glasses of new squeezed apple day by day, you improve your waste end and solid discharge. Water. It is significant that we hydrate ourselves day by day so the various organs in our body can work appropriately. The suggested everyday admission of water is 8 to 10 glasses. By drinking enough water, you're animating the characteristic peristaltic activity of your colon, which at that point permits it to work ordinarily. You may likewise drink new vegetable and organic product juices, coconut water, new lemon juice, and so forth. Attempt to avoid soft drinks and colas.